Alright, so I was going to do this all step-by-step video, but I just don't seem to get enough responses from doing step-by-step. So basically, this is parachute mount that I'm going to install on the 68 Chevelle Pro Street. I'm designed a part. I've made a pattern to check to see if it fits in the car, which it does. And these are all the fasteners and hardware that I'm going to need to install everything, and I've already got that worked out. This is the parachute mount. These are the gussets that will tie this tube, which I've already cut the length, and I opted to make my own clevis pin out of a grade 8 bolt. Here's the problem. This material here is called, I think, AR400. It's very tough, very hard. Normal stuff that you have in the garage will not machine it. I had to take it to a machine shop to have these cuts made, and I thought my hole saw would get through this stuff, but it won't. And I want to put a hole here for this tube to go all the way through, so I will weld it on both sides because the pull of the parachute goes against this tube. Then this will bolt to the cross frame underside, and this bolts to the bumper mount brackets. So that's basically the parachute mount, and when I get this all done and welded up, so in this box I have parachute. Here is the static line, the cord that attaches to the parachute mount. Parachute's mounted in there. I'm not going to pull that out until I get ready to mount it on the car, and because I have to deploy the chute and then refold and repack the chute. So there's instructions in there that tell you how to do it, and we're going to learn how to do a parachute. So that will go on the back of the Chevelle, and something else that I need to work out is what I'm going to do with the rear license plate, because on the Chevelles it seems to be pretty common that this is where you exit. The chute mount will come out through here, so the license plate, you're not really allowed to deface the license plate by machining a hole in it. So we'll see, but I'm probably going to just remove the bracket and drop it down. So that's in a nutshell, rather than show you guys a video step by step on how in your little garage shop you can build something like this and have it look pretty cool. I just give you an overview. I used my tools and my equipment, and then I went and got help on the things that I couldn't get done myself. So that's the way it is. Thanks for watching. Okay, so all those pieces and parts that I showed you, I brought those over to Scott Hamp's Racing Enterprises, and we've welded it all up, and I'll take it home and fit it in the car. It's been tested, so it should fit. And then tomorrow off to powder coating, and then when I get it back, mount the chute pack on it. Well, that's this material here. It was extremely tough to machine. It's called AR400. I think I said that in my earlier video. So weighs a couple pounds, but that car needs a little rear end weight anyway, so not a big deal. So I would have showed you step by step, but I don't get very many hits when I do that. So basically, the short story is here's the parachute mount. All right, so here's the mount up of the parachute. So we just need to clean it up, and tomorrow morning I got to transfer some do some transfer punching up inside. I have to lay on my belly, but I don't know if you can really see how that's put in there, but looks good to me. With a parachute on there and the Morse cable going up into the car, it'll look pretty cool, I think, and it should work. So that's that project. I'll show it to you after I get it powder coated and everything assembled on the car.